If you want to add pricing options to your Whop, make sure to watch this step by step because I'm going to show you exactly how to switch into your merchant view, find the right product, and update the pricing or billing frequency the right way. This is a quick way to turn a free product into a paid offer, or simply adjust the way customers are billed without getting lost in your dashboard. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Whop tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign into your Whop account at whop.com. Once you're logged in, you should land on your home feed. From here, look at the left-hand navigation sidebar and click on Dashboard. This takes you into your seller panel where you can manage your products and business settings. If you have more than one store or business connected to your account, be careful here and make sure you're viewing the correct one. You can do that by checking the selection modal at the top left and switching to the right business before making any changes. Once you're inside your merchant dashboard, the next step is to locate your product. On the left admin panel, click on Products. This is where Whop keeps the items you sell, whether they are memberships, communities, digital products, or subscriptions. Now find the specific product you want to update and click on it to open the product settings. Take a moment to make sure you're editing the correct listing, especially if you have multiple products that look similar. Now that your product page is open, look for the Active Pricing card. This is where Whop shows the current access type and billing setup. If your product is currently set to free access and you want to start charging for it, you'll need to toggle or select Paid Access first. That unlocks the pricing fields so you can enter a real price. Once the paid option is active, click directly on the current price number and type in the new amount you want to charge. Be sure to double-check the number before moving on, because this is what customers will see when they purchase. If you also want to change how often customers are billed, use the frequency drop-down. This lets you switch between billing cycles, such as monthly, yearly, or other available options depending on your setup. Choosing the right frequency is important because it affects how your offer is presented and how your customers are charged. For example, if you're selling a membership, monthly might make sense, but if you want long-term access, yearly could be a better fit. If your product already has a paid price, you can still adjust the amount or billing period at any time by editing these fields. After you've entered the new pricing and selected the right billing frequency, don't forget the final step. Click Save Product or Save Changes in the top right corner to apply your updates. If you skip this part, your edits won't go live, so always look for the Save button before leaving the page. Once saved, your Whop product will reflect the new pricing option and customers will see the updated offer. And that's how you add pricing options to your Whop in just a few simple steps. You switched into Merchant View, found the correct product, updated the price or billing cycle, and saved everything properly. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Whop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.